YouTube. I'm just sharing with you guys what I have for my garden, make it easier this year. I have my square grower, square foot gardening. As you can see in the picture, it lets you mark squares and you can plant seeds in each one. I think it's pretty cool and it's going to help me a lot. There's different ones for each kind of seed that you're planting. Oh my goodness, careful. I will put the links in the description below for all this stuff. I'm not sponsored by any of it. It's just what I do. But oh girl, stop it. It looks like it'll work out great. I'm going to do square foot gardening, so it should be fine. Sorry, I had to move the plate out of the way so the baby couldn't get it. Because she got to touch everything. But there's that. And then I have seeds out the wazoo. Brandy, will you go grab me that bag of seeds, please? This whole big tub is full of them. Yep, that whole bag. As you can see, yeah, it's an animal cracker box. But I have tons in here. These are years old. Then I have this whole bag that I just got in the past couple days. Check out Dollar Tree, y'all, for real. They're for $1 at Dollar Tree. And some of them are heirloom, like these. So, oh, sorry, Rose, stop it. Those are all awesome. I also have this. It's a pitcher holder from Amazon, but I'm going to use it to put my seeds in, which is going to be totally awesome. If you open this, well, maybe. See, it has little compartments. Each one of these will have a different seed in it, which is going to be so much time saver. I also got a label gun, which is awesome, so I can label those what they are. And then I can't do weeds because my landlord's, she doesn't want weeds grown in the garden. So I end up getting this. I don't have a lot of garden area, but I'm hoping that will cover it so that I don't have to buy another one. But if I do need to buy another one, it's whatever. It'll last a few years, so that makes me happy. I'm going to do another video of putting my seeds in the compartments and sorting them. So watch out for that. But I just figured I'd show you what I got. I mean, there's some awesome seeds at the dollar store. Kentucky Wonder Beans. Carrots. Heirloom carrots. My phone's such crap, guys. It doesn't want to. But yes, I have a ton. There's like $20 worth, and they're for $1. There's $20 worth in here. So, watch for my next video. Probably be tomorrow or the next day, because I have babies, and I do them when kids allow. And I'm also going to do a chocolate chip cookie recipe that is freaking fantastic. No refined sugars, no garbage. Keep an eye out for that, too. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And let's get me to 1,000. I'm at 602 right now. So let's get it. If y'all wouldn't mind posting, I'd be forever grateful. Have an awesome day. Stay safe with all this snow coming down.